Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can see your items listing on Facebook Marketplace. For that, you just need to open the Facebook and log in into your Facebook account. On the top right corner, you can see the three horizontal lines. Just tap into it and then you can see over here near the video icon, just you can see the marketplace option. Just tap into it and then you will be guided to this page where on the top near the search bar you can see the profile icon. Just tap into it and then you can see saved items, inbox, followings, recently viewed option, and on the sailings below you can see your listings option. Tap into it, then you will be guided to this page. If you are a seller in Facebook Market and you sell the products but you don't know to find the new selling products in your Facebook Market, then from this way you can easily access to your items listing on Facebook Marketplace. Since I haven't created any list, so my list hasn't been shown here, but if you are, then it will be seen from following this way. So this was it guys. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for new videos. Thank you.